Welcome to 40 Enroutes Street, a beautiful 3-story, 3+1 bedroom brick home with a private backyard oasis situated within the popular Upper Beaches Estates neighbourhood. A stone walkway to a covered porch with exterior columns and a faux balcony above adds charming curb appeal to the home, which showcases over 3,000 square feet of open concept living space with a bright and airy feel throughout. The ceramic tiled entrance hall has access to a single car garage that is complemented with 2 vehicle driveway parking and leads into main level principal rooms with a great open layout ideal for entertaining. The living room is finished with hardwood flooring and has a sliding door walkout to the backyard. A Design Republic 4-pendant light fixture illuminates the dining area, which has ceramic flooring as does the kitchen, and throughout this entire level are 9-foot ceilings with pot lighting. The kitchen has a functional L-shaped design showcasing gorgeous chocolate-colored cabinetry with extended height uppers for abundant storage, a custom tiled backsplash, stainless steel appliances that include a French door fridge, oven with gas cooktop, and a dishwasher, as well as a stainless steel double undermount sink and granite countertops that offer plenty of culinary workspace. California shutters on the dining room window provide light control, and beyond the walkout is a large private backyard featuring a cedar entertaining deck with built-in banquette seating that comes with custom-made water-resistant umbrella fabric cushions and pillows, another wood deck at the rear, where a mature honeysuckle tree and flowering ivy on the fence add summertime greenery, while for small children, the yard has a built-in sandbox, and the small hill at the back is also great for tobogganing. Side lights and a transom surrounding the glass-paneled front door bathe the south-facing foyer with bright natural light, and off this space is the powder room, which has a contemporary vanity and a California shutter on its window for added privacy, as well as a coat closet with mirrored doors. To the second level is an oak staircase, and this level showcases eco-friendly bamboo hardwood flooring throughout, 2 bedrooms, a washroom, and a sun-washed family media room. The 4-piece washroom features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with lots of storage. And at the end of the hallway by the second bedroom is a laundry room with a full-sized stacked front-load washer and dryer. The 2 bedrooms are quite spacious and have large windows with California shutters, which also provide views of the backyard, and conveniently close for the washroom. Just outside the entry into the first bedroom is the linen closet. Enjoying a south-facing exposure and showcasing a stunning restoration hardware chandelier suspended from its 17-foot cathedral ceiling, the family room has both 2nd and 3rd-story windows, all with California shutters, and its bright yet neutral color palette, as well as copious amounts of natural light, enhances the airy spaciousness of this outstanding family and entertaining area. A carpeted staircase with hardwood railing carries to the 3rd level, which is open to the family room below, and with the railing continued along a balcony with an alcove and pot lighting that can be utilized as an office or sitting area exclusive to the master suite. Finished with eco-friendly bamboo hardwood flooring throughout, a double-door entry opens into the bedroom, which showcases a tray ceiling with an upgraded light fixture, a papered feature wall, a large walk-in closet, and the comfort of its own Mitsubishi electric heating and cooling system. The ensuite washroom has tiled finishes throughout, a corner tub, above which is a large window with California shutters, a vanity with stone counter, as well as a separate shower area with glass door and rainfall shower head. And California shutters are also seen with the windows along the bedroom's north wall that surround a walkout onto a private covered balcony overlooking the backyard. Nestled in a family-minded neighborhood, this home is within the catchment area of Adam Beck Jr. and Glen Ames Senior Public Schools, Malvern Collegiate Institute and Danforth Collegiate and Technical Institute, as well as St. John Catholic Elementary and Notre Dame Catholic High Schools. The neighborhood itself enjoys proximity to fantastic amenities, some of which are TTC streetcar and bus service, medical facilities and related services, boutique shops, cafes and bakeries, fine dining establishments, grocery stores and food marts, entertainment venues, as well as animal hospitals and other veterinary services. To the finished lower level is a carpeted staircase, and off the lower landing is a cold room with a cedar ceiling, storage closets, as well as more storage space under the staircase. Throughout this level is LED pot lighting and environmentally sustainable cork flooring, and also featured is a 3-piece washroom with a contemporary space-saving vanity, a shower area with glass door, and honed marble tile finishes. The nicely sized recreation area is ideal as a media room, a workout and yoga studio, or as a games and play area, and with a small bonus room directly off of it that can be converted into a walk-in closet, this space also has potential as a bedroom. A short walk to Bob Acton and Ted Reef Parks, and also within walking distance to the Danforth GO and Main Street subway stations, as well as to the wide variety of shops, restaurants, and entertainment along Danforth Avenue, Kingston Road, and Queen Street East. This home has a great location surrounded by a wealth of amenities and has easy access to the Don Valley Parkway.